What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be giving you a lot of content because I'm stuck in my house. Hashtag quarantine. So I thought I'd do like a little makeup tutorial, get ready with me type of thing, but I'm gonna be all dressed up with nowhere to go. So I'll probably just like make some videos, a TikTok. I would make a cover, but I'm not allowed to sing right now because I sang so much in the studio the other night for like 6 hours for 2 nights in a row. Not safe. But I figured I was gonna do this tutorial for you guys. So first, I'm gonna get my little headband. You know, you gotta get the hair out of the face. Thank you, Tarte, for this. I use it so much, actually. Oh, stuck in my earring. I literally put it on wrong. Okay, that's cute. That's nice. Yeah, it's super cute. Thank you, Tarte. You're fire. Now I'm gonna get my little beauty blender I just got from Beauty Blender. Thank you guys so much. So I'm just gonna wet it real quick. Oh, that's so cold. Usually I like wait for the water to be warm, but the patience is not there right now. So I'm gonna try a bunch of new products that I just got. I just brought like a big bag of makeup in here. I got my makeup done yesterday because I had a very fun top secret shoot. So my makeup was kind of in this bag so I could bring it downstairs. So this is the Maracuja Tinted Hydrator from Tarte. I just got it, like just came out. My god, I'm like a YouTuber. What the heck? They like color matched me without touching my face and stuff because we didn't want to corona, you know? It looks like a good color. I'm gonna put a little on my beauty blender. It's not gonna be super high coverage, which is nice. Oh, this is so pretty. It's just like tinted moisturizer. Also, I haven't really decided on what I'm doing for my eye. And also, I'm not a professional makeup artist, so don't hate on it. I'm just doing it for fun. But yeah, this is so gorgeous. I'm so wearing this on a day-to-day basis. But what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a little bit of foundation. This is also from Tarte. It's the Tarte face tape, shape tape thing. This is definitely too light for me, so I'm just gonna use a little bit. And if you see me like looking to like my right or my left, it's your right, I think. I don't know. I'm looking at the mirror. So I feel like we should talk about some things. Let's talk about Corona because I'm really worried about it. To be completely honest, I'm so scared and I was like, oh my god, we're gonna die. But apparently we're not gonna die, so that's good. Now let's go with some concealer. Okay, I'm gonna use this one I just got. This is the creaseless concealer. Can you guys see this? I feel like I'm like so OG. And it's in the color light medium neutral, and this is in light medium beige. I have the world's worst dark circles. And like they're not even that bad right now. A little bit on the nose, a little bit on the chin, a little bit on the forehead. Oh wow, this is so nice. This is great. Tarte, you're really making moves. Did I get it all? Yeah. This is making me look a little bit more pale than I am, which is kind of upsetting. I'm wearing this bomb-ass sweatshirt. It says Legends Only. Shout out to you, Jimmy. You're probably not gonna see this, but it's his brand. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks for some contour. I'm honestly really not sure how this whole thing is gonna go. I don't usually do crazy makeup. I usually do the same thing like every day. The problem is I never get them even. Put it on my nose a little bit. Oh, that's so crooked. Under the lip, because it makes your lips look bigger. And I have a pretty small forehead, so I just put like a little bit, just because everyone does. And then a little bit on the chin, jawline. You know, trying to get snatched. Ow. Hello. So I'm gonna be using this brush. It's from Tarte. I'm just gonna buff it in. I've heard that you're just supposed to do circles back. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then my nose. I hope this actually looks good. Not bad for me. So now, let's see what I have in this bag of tricks. Best powder ever. Laura Mercier translucent powder. OG, always use it. Probably never gonna switch. So now, I think I'm gonna bake because I feel like that's more like, oh god, professional. And a little bit on the nose. I think that's nice. A nice bake. And should we do bronzer? Let's do bronzer. LOL, look at me. I'm like so all over the place. I'm using the Becca bronzer in, I don't know if that's upside down for you guys. I'm just gonna bronze the face up. I'm gonna give you like a secret that like I don't ever tell anybody. Everyone's always like, how are you so tan? Which is like, oh, you know. But basically, like when I do my everyday makeup, I just put bronzer all over my face. Because I look much better tan. So I just like to, you know, give it a little something something. It doesn't look like this in person. It looks like there's a splotch there. I promise I'm not that bad at makeup. Back! I've always loved makeup and I used to watch YouTube tutorials on like how to do my makeup always. So I thought this was fun. And I always put it over my lip. Not really. Is this my lip? No. I always put it over my nose because I like that like sun-kissed look. I learned that from Hailey Baldwin when she was Hailey Baldwin. She's now Hailey Bieber, who I wish I was. If you guys know me, you know I should be married to Justin. But I do love Hailey. I've actually met her and she's one of the nicest people I think I've ever met in my life. Now, should we do eyes? I'm kind of scared. Should we do like a cool eye look or like something that I actually probably think would look good? Let's go live for a second and see what the people say. Guys, we're live. We're on camera. See? Inception. Oh my god. I waited a little bit because my camera died. You guys all said to do a neon pink look. So I guess that's what I'll do. I've never done it before and I don't know how this is gonna turn out. So if it's bad, don't judge me or make fun of me. Let's get started. I haven't watched a video or anything on this, so I'm kind of just going in blindly. I'm not like the world's best makeup artist. This is very far out of my comfort zone. Okay, I've set everything up for it, just so I have easy access. Oh my god, I'm still recording. So, okay, I'm gonna take this blending brush and I'm just gonna go in with Doll Face right there. This is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I'm just gonna start gently buffing it in. Oopsies. Okay. Looks pretty good. It's a little wild, but like I'm gonna fix it after. So now I'm gonna go in with like a little smaller brush and just kind of like wipe everything away. So now I'm gonna go in with a bit of a smaller brush. Rose Soiree right there. It's a little bit lighter, so that's nice. Ooh, look at this. We love a nice little pink eye. Now, I think we're gonna go in with the big guns. Watermelon. It looks way more oh my god, pigmented in the palette, but it's not showing up as much here. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe M441 brush and just start it. I'm gonna put it in the crease a little bit, I think. My problem is like I love these like white brushes and I feel like if I use it, it's gonna look all gross and I feel like it's never gonna clean back to regular. Yeah, all right, let's do this. So now I'm gonna go in with this flat shader brush on the lid, just packing it on. Hope you guys are enjoying this up close content of my eye. I'm just gonna blend it right here. If you guys can hear that, I don't know if you can, but it's pouring out. This whole week it's been pouring and it's gonna be pouring for like way longer, which I'm in Los Angeles if you guys don't know. But usually like once a year we'll have like this super hard like rain spell or whatever. And I guess now is our time. Maybe it's trying to wash the corona away. Let's use like a rose gold in here somewhere, maybe. That's not doing that much for us. It looks pretty, so I'll do that on the other eye. We'll fix it after. I'm saying like I'm gonna fix everything after, like I'm basically gonna redo my makeup. Let's move on. We're gonna be using this baby. Yep, that's what we were looking for. I'm gonna pat it in a little bit with my finger. I was gonna give that little halo effect, but like this is so cute. I'm just gonna do the whole eye. Then after it like dries a little bit, oh no, my brush just fell into a trash can. Let's wipe that off. So I'm waiting for that to dry. While I'm waiting, let's do a little bit for under the eye. Trying to decide if I should do a wing because I'm scared I'm gonna mess it up. I'm gonna take the pink and chuck it down to the end of my eye a little bit, like under my eye, but not like too much because like right now it's too much. So now for the little stuff for like the inner corner, I'm gonna take this like crazy silver. No, I can't do this on camera. It looks like I put like the freaking Nike swoosh on my eye. I've got to figure out how to fix this. I made that too long and too high up. Why am I so bad at this? I look so dumb now. It was not that bad. Nice. Okay, that's good enough. It's close enough. Whatever. I also have like the world's shakiest hands, so that could be another factor in it. Let's do some eyebrow action. TBH, I was really pretty blessed with my eyebrows, but it's nice to fill them in. Oh my god, I'm not qualified for this, guys. That's as good as they're gonna get. Everybody always asks about my eyelashes. I've done it a lot on Instagram lives, but I use the Lancome Monsieur Big or Monsieur, I don't know. And I don't use an eyelash curler because I have really, really curly eyelashes because I have curly hair. Also, fun fact about me, I have half blonde eyelashes. So if you see me without mascara, it looks like I have like literally no eyelashes. Now I switch to the other one for a little bit and then I go back. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not as good as usual. It's more bronzer because I left for a little bit. Guys, I honestly really don't hate it and I'm really proud of myself. And now I'm gonna do my bottom lashes. That's why I waited a little bit. Now I just need to put highlighter on. I use the Becca Champagne Pop because I'm basic. Oh yeah. And then I put like it in C. I saw Rihanna do it, so Cupid's bow. And then eyebrow bone. And then I take my beauty blender and like pat it in a little bit, because it makes it look more natural, like you're glowing from within. But obviously this makeup tutorial is not natural whatsoever. I'm gonna do a little lip. I had this Kylie lip kit, but I lost it at Playlist. This one, it's called Kylie. This is the Chanel lip gloss in 119. It has a little pigment in it. And then I'm obsessed with this Dior lip gloss. It's the Lip Maximizer. And it's like really pretty color. Actually don't like this lip color, so let me take it off. Good times. I'm honestly just gonna go in with this color. Yeah. Okay, I think I've covered everything. I'm gonna take my hair down. Hair was up in there for so long. Okay, this is the finished look. Let me set it real quick. This is the Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray by Tarte. This smells so good. I had my hair straightened from my shoot yesterday. Then it was up in like my high pony, so that's why it looks all like weird. All right, this is the finished look. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Go check out all of my socials. Subscribe, click the bell notification, and give it a thumbs up. Go stream my music. It's on every streaming platform. I have so many new fun projects coming out, and I can't wait for you to see it. I love you.